Hey guys, Tony DeNaro here. It's Tuesday, January 11th, and I want to talk to you about the announcement that came out this morning about an investment in Citadel Securities from Sequoia Capital and Paradigm. Here we have the official press release from Citadel Securities. Now, this is not to be confused with Citadel, the hedge fund. Citadel Securities is a separate company. Citadel Securities announced today that Sequoia and Paradigm have made a $1.15 billion minority investment in the firm. In addition to this investment, Sequoia partner Alfred Lin will join the Citadel Securities board of directors. At the bottom of the press release, there is some information about Sequoia Capital, which is a venture capital firm, and Paradigm, which is a crypto venture capital firm. But let's look into these companies just a little bit more and talk about why they might be making this investment in Citadel Securities right now. Sequoia Capital is a Silicon Valley venture capital firm which has been in existence since 1972. In the years since then, they have funded startups and launched IPOs of many famous companies, names that you will recognize. Just looking at some of these names, you're going to recognize them: Nubank, DoorDash, Snowflake, 23andMe, Apple, FTX, Vanta, Airbnb, Okta, Stripe, Square, and Linear. And let's not forget Instagram and WhatsApp. Some of these companies, Sequoia completely exited their investment during the IPO process, and some of them they chose to remain on as an investor after the IPO. As a venture capital company, Sequoia Capital is a powerhouse in picking winners, and they are ranked number one in the number of portfolio companies with 1 billion plus exits at IPO. You can see them here in the first column and some of the companies that they have exited their investment on. Of interest to many people will also be the fact that Sequoia is a major investor in Robinhood, and when Robinhood had problems in January of 2021 during the GameStop debacle, Sequoia was one of the investors who came to the rescue with additional cash to fund the company through its troubling times. And just to refresh your memory, that additional cash injection by Sequoia and other investors was pre-IPO for Robinhood. Now, if you have not paid too much attention to the crypto world, you might not have heard of Paradigm before. And in fact, Citadel does not do a lot of investment currently in crypto, according to Ken Griffin. However, bringing Paradigm on board signals a shift in that thinking. Paradigm backs crypto startup companies. There are a couple names in this list that you might be familiar with, including BlockFi, Coinbase, Compound, Cosmos, Uniswap, and a host of others. I'll put the link to this company in the video description if you'd like to take a look for yourself. I'll also include a link from Matt Huang, who is the co-founder of Paradigm, where he announces Paradigm's investment in Citadel Securities. It is interesting to note that Matt says, "We're excited to partner with Citadel as they extend their technology and expertise into more markets and asset classes, including crypto." So what does all of this mean? In my opinion, this signals an upcoming release in the next year, maybe 18 months, for Citadel Securities to do an IPO and take the company public. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of speculation in the community about what this all means. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of good discussion in the coming days and weeks, both on YouTube and Reddit. Ken Griffin owns about 85% of Citadel Securities. With the current investment from Sequoia and Paradigm, the valuation of his company would be at about $20 to $22 billion for Citadel Securities. An IPO could value the company at much higher than that, enriching both Mr. Griffin and the initial investors. I am Tony DeNaro. That is all I have for you this morning on Sequoia, Paradigm, and Citadel Securities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to buy and hold that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.